Ollie Owl, Ella Elephant, Jill Giraffe, with me Wolf. Oh, sorry, we didn't say hi. But hi guys, let's get started with part 15. We're almost at the end! Wow! Can
Say the sentence out loud.
I have one
so your
little
monster
green
knows
cow.
what to do.
He. So many stars and food.
Say the sentence out loud so your monster knows what to
I
do.
do not need a red hat, she said. Can you give me a black one, please?
There's a Tricky.
Yes.
Tickle her 3 times. And
I
she
love
will join
trick. My monster loved the Tricky sisters.
The
I can do
Tricky's
that.
jumped away. Quick, find her. Can you click on the word?
Do.
The Tricky is amazed at how good you are at finding her. She's so impressed she's going to join you for the rest of your journey. Look, she's jumped into your pocket.
Oh, that leads me to a bunch of stars. Okay, let's go back. Back up. Let's continue this very good journey.
Say the sentence out loud so your monster
Why
knows
can't I
what to
have
do.
that little deer? I can't. There we go. My turn. How do I eat that cherry? Okay, whatever. Let's go left. Is gonna on the left. Let's lead me to more stars. Normally we go up, but I want to see and check this more stars. Right. Yep, it does. Yummy.
Say the
I like
sentence
them,
out
she
loud
said.
so your monster knows what to do.
Even now.
There's a Tricky. Tickle her 3 times and she will join you. The
How many to
Tricky's
go?
jumped away. Quick, find her. Can you click on the word?
When.
The Tricky is amazed at how good you are at finding her. She's so impressed she's going to join you for the rest of your journey.
Oh look, he
she
jumped into
your
our pocket. Now it's my turn. I want to keep my treasure chest open.
Say the sentence
I
out
have
loud
red hat. Can you
so
give
your
me a
monster
little
knows
red
what to
hat,
do.
she says.
There's a Tricky. Tickle her 3 times and she will join you. The Tricky is
What's the
jumped away.
cow?
Quick, find her. Can you click on the word?
Out.
Hooray!
The Tricky is amazed at how good you are at finding her. She's so impressed she's going to join you for the rest of your journey. Look, she's jumped into your pocket. Say the
This is not my
sentence
owl.
out loud,
Oh,
so
can
your
you
monster
get
knows what to
my
do.
big green owl? He said. Wow, that owl is really huge.
She's back again, hungry for more word cookies. Feed her the word
Do.
to make her happy. Read the word on the beast's tummy and find the word that sounds the same.
Was. My. Out. Do.
Feed her the word
When.
to make her happy. Read the word on the beast's tummy and find the word that sounds the same.
When.
Feed her the word
Out.
to make her happy. Read the word on the beast's tummy and find the word
When.
that sounds the same.
She. Do. Me. Out.
It's the first thing. Blah, blah, blah.
The hungry beast said she really likes those words. I think that means thank you.
Now look, I'm to the end.
You've nearly reached the end of your journey. Let's use the spell I am magic to open the gates. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I am magic!
Amazing! We've opened the door with our magic spell. Now let's go in and see if anyone is home. Who is this?
Squeak,
Your
squeak.
new friend says she's lost her letter sound. Can you help her find the letters that make the sound?
Air.
Let's learn a new sound.
Air.
As in,
Hair.
can you say,
Air. Air. Air.
go and play one of the games to help her find.
Air. I'm buzzed.
Use the blocks to build the submarine and help the jellyfish.
Oi. Ear. Air. Air. Oi. Air. Ow. Air. Ow. Ear. Ear. Ow. Air. Ow. Oi. Ow. Air. Air. Ow. Air.
Okay, the airs first.
Air. Ow.
Squeak.
Your friend is very happy now. She's going to give you another game to play. Your friend has told your monster he can find the words
Hair.
Hair.
Pear.
Hair.
Chair.
Chair.
in these games. Let's play. Whoa!
Oh dear,
Your monster
look
is
at it
falling
again.
from the
I wish
sky.
I can help,
Collect
but
the
I
right
can't.
balloons so
I
you can
can't
float
live in
down
here.
safely.
So
Find
we
the
have to
letters
watch
that
that.
Make the word.
Hair.
It's time for stars.
Ear.
Find each of the sounds in the
Air.
word.
Ear. Hair. Air.
Find the
You're
letters
almost
that
down.
Make the word.
Chair.
Hootie Ray. Another tricky.
Whoa! There goes a tricky. I wonder what she's up to. There's a tricky. Tickle her 3 times and
And
she
she'll join you.
The tricky has jumped away.
Who?
Quick, find her. Can you click on the
What?
word?
What?
I did it. I did it.
The tricky is amazed at how good you are at finding her. She's so impressed she's going to join you for the rest of your journey. Look, she's jumped into your pocket.
She's
Can you
going.
find your friend's next letter sound? She's lost the letters that make the sound.
Or.
Or.
Let's learn a new sound.
Or.
As in,
Cure.
Cure.
can you say,
Or.
Or.
go and play one of the games to help her find.
Or.
My turn next. Ella.
Oh no, all
Oh,
the
the sheep
have
just
escaped.
escaped.
Put all the sheep in the
Or.
pen.
There we go. They can relax while sitting down. They're buying all
Put all the
around.
sheep in the
Air.
pen.
How about me, sheep? I'll put you back in your real pen. The
Put
sheep
all the
escaped
sheep in
again.
Or.
Pen.
Okay, sheep, now listen to me. I'm the monster king. So don't move, monster, unless I tell you to. Stay here. You're gonna rest. Wait, where's the crown? Okay, there you go. Now it's back. And squeak.
Your friend is very happy now. She's going to give you another game to play. Your friend has told your monster he can find the words
Pure.
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 in these games. Let's play.
Is there two pures? Let's go to the space thing to see.
Your monster needs fuel to get home. Find the letters that make the word
Pure.
Oh. I almost collected all
find
the
each of the
stars.
sounds in the word
Pure. Or. Air. Ear. Ear. Air. Ear. Or.
Find the letters that make the word
Pure.
I think they're the same. Where's that tricky coming?
Can you find your friend's next letter sound? She's lost the letters that make
Oh.
the sound.
You can
Let's
be my
learn
turn.
a new sound. As in,
Letter.
Letter.
can you say,
Uh.
go and play one of the games to help her find. Collect the flowers and they'll tell you which way to go.
Yay! I'm flipping. What's next? Yes, I did it. Wait.
Your friend is very happy now. She's going to give you another game to play.
You squeak.
Your friend has told your monster he can find the words
Rocker. Corner.
Mhm,
Rocker.
in
Okay.
these games. Let's play.
Looks like we played so I'm just gonna go to the bear thing. Not that Dr. Tentacles
Oh
again.
no! Dr. Tentacle has captured the bear. To save the bear, make the word
Rocker.
to climb the tower and
Oh
save.
boy, it's a long word. I did it! Yay! That evil
Oh,
Dr.
no. Dr.
Tentacles
Tentacle has captured the
again.
bear. To save the bear, make the word
Corner.
to climb the tower and save him.
Air.
Find each of the sounds in the
I
word.
just pressed it. Oh,
Corner.
when the Dr. Tentacles goes up.
Find each of the sounds in the word.
Rocker.
I'm busy. You can choose. Yeah. Daddy, don't tell me what it is. Just go bake it right now. Boom, boom.
What's that?
Boom, boom, boom.
Something's coming.
Boom, boom, boom.
Uh-oh.
Here comes
Here comes the hungry
the
beast.
last hungry beast.
Feed her
The word.
What?
to make her happy.
Mmm.
Read the word on the beast's tummy and find the word that sounds the same.
What?
Blah, blah, blah. I'm glad that isn't too tricky, but I want to tricky. Blah, 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 blah.
I think that means thank you.
Now let's all take a look at the ending.
Wow! Your friend says that you are now a word wizard. You know all the letter sounds and trickies on the whole mountain.
Hooray!
And now all your friends have come to celebrate. Who is this?
The pirates again.
Hey, that's the big pirate who stole your ship. He's frightening all your friends away.
No!
Oh, the pirate says he is the pirate king of the mountain. What shall we do about this? Yar, yar, yar. Ah, the pirate says if you can win at his game, he'll give you your spaceship back and make you the pirate king.
Sure.
Okay, what game shall we play, Captain Pirate? Boot, loot, hoot. Can you click on the word loot? Yes!
We
You won
did
at the
it!
Pirates game. You are now a super word wizard and a pirate king. Here is his hat and your ship.
We did
Yar,
it.
yar, yar. The pirate says you will make an excellent pirate king. He
Sure.
says he's going off to find more treasure. Goodbye.
I'll see you soon, pirate. My friends are
What
there.
an amazing adventure. You've got all the way to the top of the mountain. And you found lots and lots of tricky
Hooray.
friends to join you.
Yeah.
Now you are a
I can't
pirate.
wait for part 60 to
You
come
can
soon.
use your spaceship to fly anywhere you like. It's up to you now.
After the talking ends, we can get started. Bye, all my friends. I'll see you soon. Oh, wait. It's the same thing again and again. Loading, 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 loading. There we go. Teacher, monster to eat. Let's play.
Hello again. Here is your monster. Legs. Body.
No thanks.
Are you happy with your monster? Well done. Your monster
Now let's get
is
ready
waiting
for the
you
last
and
part.
Ready to go on an adventure.
Let's go!
After defeating Captain Pirate and becoming the Pirate King, your monster is zooming through the galaxy looking for another adventure. Suddenly, the computer in the spaceship picks up a signal from one of the planets. It's a distress signal. Someone down there is in trouble. Your monster decides to land on the planet and investigate.
Let's go.
You are in orbit around the first planet. Tap on the planet to land your spaceship.
Wait, we're gonna do this in part 16. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video. Please subscribe and like. Bye!